So today I just wanted to share with you a small script that's pretty handy to discover what you have on your subnet. So if you have these networks that you have configured and you want to figure out what workstations or IPs are available on a given subnet connected to a router or firewall or what have you, and these could be hundreds, maximum 254 on a given subnet. And so there are free tools available that would do a LAN sweep or network sweep and give you an idea of what's available and what's responding and what's not. But if you have a simple Windows machine in your network with PowerShell, you can run a small 5-line or 10-line script on a given subnet, and that would tell you or give you some idea of what IPs are available and what IPs are taken. So in this setup, what I've done is I've configured, just to give you a demo, VIOS routers. So what I have here is I've got a VIOS 1, VIOS 2, and a VIOS 3, and they're configured with a DHCP address on a VMware player, workstation player, on VMnet 1, which is local to the host, right? So these are the VIOS routers with their E0s configured as DHCP, and they'll get an IP address from the VMnet 1, which is in host at NIC, virtual host NIC on your machine. So if you look at your IP config, you'll see that VMnet 1 is local and it's got a 192.168.71 address, /-x. So that's the subnet we're talking about. And on your VIOSes, show interface E0 is basically configured with a DHCP address, and it gets an automatic address from that. Ethernet ETH0, all of them are the same and they're getting different addresses. This one's getting 134, 135, and 136. So if I want to go run a script to see what are available and what are not, I've written a small PowerShell script. So if you have to go PowerShell, write PowerShell on your Windows, and then run a small script. Here's the example. Here's something that you can take manually, but I just did it statically to demonstrate this. And then it will show you that these are the addresses that are available, and these are the one that's taken: 133, 134, 135, 36. So 3 VIOSes are configured with 35, 34, 35, 36. And there's another virtual machine that's taken 133. And I'm just running the script from 129 to less than equal to 140. So here's the script that will take a static subnet 192.168.71 with a dot in quotes, and my starting IP for pinging is 129 right there. And I'm doing a while loop while a is less than or equal to 140. I'm going all the way to 140. The command is going to be ping these two variables with only one ping, not 5, and the timeout is 2. If the command matches reply, echo taken, otherwise echo available. And it's in a while loop. And then you increment to your A. So here's a static way of doing it. Now if you want to make it a variable, like you want to enter your own subnet, you can do that too this way. Enter. So I am entering in quotes 192.168.71 dot, and I'm leaving the last octet empty. Quote end. Enter. Available, taken. So two variation, one a static way, the other one you can read the host subnet, and then you can start with 1 here. To be quick, I just started with 129 and I stopped at 140, but this should be 1. If you're discovering the entire subnet, this would be 1, and this would be 254. This way you can quickly run this script to see what's responding and what's not responding. Hope this helps.